Hi everyone. So this is a construction update of the community motor city by Aqua. As you can see, the two levels that make up the parking and the podium are done. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're at the fifth floor over here. This is the northern side of the building, and this is the southern side of the building. And here's the road of the Motor City. Just to the front, this is Dubai Autodrome. I'll cross the pedestrian to show you the northern part of the building from this side. From the back side, we don't have that much progress, so you can see that only the podium level is done. So they're building it in parts. They will finish, I think, this block, and they will start then building this block. Looking forward to see the progress in future videos.